Hello everybody. Today we are going to analyze the chart patterns of gold and silver. You can see here last time silver break that pattern and come at that level. After that level it going to retest. Here you can see the level is at 19.792. This is very important level, and in gold we can see here it's on that was a supply zone, but we know that after the breakout the zone work as demand zone. If we got any bullish signal we go for buy. We will wait here for a few times. We can see here we are getting a selling pressure because here we getting a very big bigs. Yes, you can see here that's a very big see. Previous moment, what was the previous moment? We can see here what was the previous moment. Now where are going the gold here. That was a supply zone. On going a supply zone we got a bearish engulfing. On getting a bearish engulfing we short sell and we book our target to that level. If you got any bullish signal at that level like bullish engulfing and bullish engulfing and morning star hammer etc, if you got any that signal we will go for again buy side and we will set our target to that level. If you got any bearish signal at that level then we will go for sell side and we will take our TP to 1621. Yes, you can see here we are getting a big from upper side. If you got a big from upper side we can go sell side. Here you can see we are getting a now started a volume to increase slowly. If you got volume and got our market going down then we go surely we will sort our gold from that level to that level. And one thing I want to clear you, gold and silver 97% follows each other every times. I am waiting for that level. If we will got break out with a volume then I will surely sort from that level to that level. Now see, I will sort if I got any bearish signal from that level. My SL will be at that place and my TP will be to that level. Okay, and if I got any bearish signal after breakout I will wait for a few minutes, a few second, few hour for retest, and after that I will take a trade. You can place your trade if you got any strong bullish signal, bearish signal. If you got any bullish signal then we place trade from that point to that point. uh, if we place we can got we have both uh, probability that to upside, and also we have a probability for a downside. We can also get both probability can happen here. Now last time what was the moment of the that gold see discuss. Previously we make a many times profit from that pair from gold. First last many times I will tell you the first time when I started my that channel, and I tell you on my first video, at that place was the work treated as a support zone, and at the support zone we got a bullish candle, and we got at that level I tell you clearly that here it making a double top, and it's work as a resistance supply zone. If it will break, surely it will go very fastly to upside, and here you can see it break with value, and after breaking with value he got at that level. That level was also work as a supply zone, but gold was not able to break that level. After coming at that level, gold brackets getting a very strong supply, and boom. And that level you can also see first it not directly fall down. Here it's make peanut like a triangle. After breaking that triangle, boom, going down. Yeah, somebody take a trade at that. If anybody identified that is a supply zone, I already tell you it's work as a supply zone and resistance zone. If anybody see my that video, he surely saw their that pair XAUSD, and I hope surely he booked a very good profit from that level to that level if he was traded with patience. Now here if you got any bearish signal at that level, and got a clear cut breakout with bearish candle, surely you can go for a sell side with the patience. In trading journey we required more patience, because in our trading only 20% 20% strategy works and 80% or psychology works. Yes, means the most playing hero in this trading game is our emotions and psychology. So strong your psychology and emotions. Yeah, I want to show you one important thing. Yes, Hikanasi candle. Hikanasi candle, here you can see that is a Hikanasi candle, and here in Hikanasi you can see continue. It's giving a red candle. In Hikanasi, if we getting a red candles with one side wicks, we here you can see we got every candle in downside wicks, and here also we got a may I hope probably we got a wick for a downside. If you continue getting a downside wicks, if trend going to change, we will start to getting a both side wicks, like here you can see. Here we started both side wicks and work. It's a work as a 60 to 70%, not every time. If you want to clear your confirmation, you can see it's works or not. Now we going on our candle. Yes, here we are waiting for a break. If we got a break, then we surely go sell side. Now see next silver. In silver, what happening here, that silver was also make a look like a peanut pattern at a supply zone or resistance zone, and boom, and after that here we go getting bullish engulfing, but here may bullish engulfing will not work, because here was not a value. Here you can see we got a bullish engulfing, but value, no any value. Due to not a value, may it will not work. Some persons who believes on the chart pattern, not believe on the value, is surely buy for upside, but I hope the result will be hit. 1 minute. Yes, here was not volume, where you can see, because volume was very low from the average line. Here it make a clear and bullish engulfing, but we got a doji candle after bullish engulfing due to resistance. Here you can see it faces a resistance. Due to resistance, it resist going to upside, and more probably chances it will go down. If you got any bearish signal, then you can place your trade towards sell side from 19.72 to 18.980 one thing I clear the, I will not take trade right now. I will take trade after getting any bullish signal. Yeah, I can take a trade here if I it was at resistance support level, but it was as resistance level, so I not placed my trade towards buy side. If I got here in this place, if I got any bullish signal, then I go here. One thing more I can, so here you can see here forming look like evening star, and you know that evening star is a bearish candle, and it's um, signals of selling pressure. Yes, it shows that here is selling pressure, and it's the support was work as a resistance level. Now market can go from downside. I in starting I also said you told you USD and sorry, gold and silver movement 95 97% moves in one direction. Here see, gold at its its support and supply zone, and silver also here at resistance or support it was at support zones, also the support zones, the support work as a supply or resistance zone. Both movement are same, 97%, both are direction are same. Now going, we are going to US oil, crude oil. If you are trading in crude oil, then I will like to open my US oil in spot. You can also see spot and future, both direction are same, but price difference is 3.300. Here you can see what was the next movement. Previously I told you in my previous videos when crude oil traded here, because in previous we make a very good profit from that head and shoulder pattern. I already told in my previous videos, you can go and see there. It work as a head and shoulder, and at that level we got here we got a inverted head and shoulder pattern, and here at that place at the supply zone we got a head and shoulder pattern, and head and shoulder pattern is a sign of bearish signal, and we take our target from that level to that level. After next day market opening, after new week market opening, and we got gap up opening, and gap up opening I say wait, after that we got any, if any got we got any bullish bearish signal, then we go for sell side. If we got any breakout and get a bearish signal, then we will surely go for a upside. So somebody wait, and if anybody take a trade at that level, surely lose their money due to resistance zone. It was a resistance zone, but he hit the SLs, and after that he got at break that levels. Here you can see at that level he gives it work as a demand zone, and give a very amazing target from 82 to how many people we achieve from, if suppose we take a trade at that level, and we from we achieve a target 580 pips. It's not very less, it a very great pip. Here you can see. Yes, yeah, we go after that level we already told you. If it break that level, we can take trade from that level to that level, but it's not achieved right now. But I hope it will hit that target. How much target it give a pip? 358 pip already it give us, and going for down consolidation. After consolidate may it will go at that level. Right now I show you that three currency pairs chart pattern. I am waiting for take a trade in gold. If I got any bearish signal at that level, I am waiting. Here we are not getting enough value. um, 6.5 hour we will go new session. After that session we will take trade, because at that session we got very heavy volume at that level. We are waiting. We are waiting. What happened the next moment? One thing, I opened my chart in 1 hour time frame, because 1 hour time frame work is suitable for me, and my all analysis always on 1 hour time frame. Generally I tries to give you all levels, so support and resistance, and every patterns of mostly commodity, and sometimes of forex I try to gives you before forming it. If you are active on my channel, then surely we got some profit from that my patterns and my analysis. So please, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and take advantage of my analysis. It's a free note. It's for I am not taking any charges. If you want, you can join my channel, subscribe my channel, and take advantage of my analysis, because I gives only that analysis and that chart pattern on which I confirm that will be profitable for us, and also I take trade on that analysis. I never gives take any place trade. No, I gives only gives advice or gives a suggestion to take trade at place where I am getting any many confirmation. Not only technical, I am also sees fundamentals and other things. That was some analysis of. Now here we can also see here, it was a euro USD chart pattern at 1 hour time frame. Here you can see previously I give you uh, euro USD chart pattern analysis. I give you at that place, we are putting in a small time frame 15 minute bullish flag, but we it failed because due to selling pressure. And here it also was supply zone, so it failed. Now here you can see it break its support level, and after a support level we got got a here look like a evening star. So somebody say evening star work as after market going up. Here you can see going up, but here at that place mark also here form a morning star, but it will work. How it possible morning sorry, how it possible evening star work at the downside? Because it at a resistance level, at resistance we know that at resistance level we getting a selling pressure. Due to selling pressure it will work, right? Most of our traders suggest you, if you got a morning evening star at a top level, at a high level, then you go for a sell side. No, don't do that mistake, because if at top level you getting a evening star, and at that place not no any resistance and no any supply zone, leave it that trade, because this is very big mistake. And if you know here, if at that place not any resistance, who will resist the market? And one candle, not possible any one candle resist the market. Yes, so always before place your trade, always see supply, demand, resistance, support zone. After that getting any in that zone, take trade. Without that, don't take a trade, because resistance resist the market, support the market. Demand creates a demand, and helps to trader to to drive a currency pair in a upside, right? And supply zone creates very heavy supplies, and due to supply, market drive towards downside. Here we can see here it as a resistance zone, but here we are getting enough volume, not sufficient volume, but enough volume at that place. We can sell easily. Yes, if you want to go for a sell side, then you can place sell side signal from that level, uh, from that level to that level easily. Now one thing we'll try to, yeah, here if you want to take a trade at that level, then you can go easily from that level to that level. One thing, 1 minute. Yeah, you can go from that level. First TP will be your first TP will be at that level. 1 minute, I want to show you. First TP will be at that level, and second TP will be at that level. Yeah. Yes, if you want to go sell side in euro USD, you can take a trade. First TP will be at that level. From if you got any retest, if you accept my analysis, and if I want to take a trade, if I got a retest at that point, after I will sell euro USD from that level to that level, because after retesting, more chances to market going on that direction. In that level, if I got any bullish signal, then I go for a upside buy side. If I got any bearish signal after breaking, then I will go for a sell side from that level to that level, right? One thing, one important thing on taking a trade, be careful. Always take a trade if you getting a value. Now how you will see the value? First, first go indicator and indicator, type value, and type and place value on your chart. On volume, if you getting your volume above that average line, then we go for on that direction. If you are market going down and the volume above that line, surely you can go for a sell side. If market going up and the volume above that average line, you can surely go for a on selling side, and on upside you can go for buy side. Okay. Now here, gold. Here we can see at supply as a demand zone. Always market want to going up, but due to selling pressure, market started to falling. Now see, we will see what happen next. If we got break at that level, then surely we go for a sell side. If you got any buying sell, then we go for a buy side. We are waiting now. See silver also same, ranging at that place to at that place. Now see what happened next. If anybody take trade at that level, then my suggestion will be some of the profit, book your some of the profit at that level, because if it break that level, then its trend will be changed, because after the breaking that level, surely it will be come back for a retest. After a retest, it will go back, boom. Now here, now see what happened next at that level. Here you can see every time we getting on the signal market because we are out, we got again both sided with candle. We are waiting now. If we got upside direct, what happen next? Then we will place our trade at that one. Now we'll place our trade at that place level 2. Ooh. And our TP SL will be at that place on our TP. It trade can take your full of the week if you place your trade, but surely it will give you your target, right? Yeah, you can achieve take trade from that level to that level, but I advise you to place your trade at from the at level from that level to that level. It is too sufficient 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. If you lose $1, you will make $4, right? Wait. One thing in trade, the two important warriors or tool in the trading field is our emotion psychology, and the second one is our risk reward. Yes, our risk reward is very important. Remember, always take your risk minimum 1 to 2, and more than you can take 1 to n, right? Now see, market is so ranging, it bored us. Now we will like to end our trade because I told you all important levels of both currencies, both and some currencies like gold, XAG, US oil, Euro USD, and ETC. Okay, according to my analysis, you can place your trade further. Now I am going to end the session. Thank you for joining the session.